Robot vacuums are an innovative and convenient solution for cleaning floors without the hassle of manually vacuuming. These devices are equipped with sensors that allow them to navigate around obstacles and map out the room for efficient cleaning. They come in a variety of models with different features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and advanced suction technology. Robot vacuums are perfect for busy households or those who want to save time and effort on cleaning. With the ability to schedule cleanings and recharge on their own, these devices are a great addition to any smart home. Shopping with Promarkit Us. Let's start with our top picks. Number 5. YUFFIE RoboVac 11S. The YUFFIE Boost IQ RoboVac 11S is a super slim robot vacuum cleaner with a strong suction power of 1,300 pascals. It operates quietly and automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed for deep cleaning. It has an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. It vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. The robot vacuum comes with a remote control, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, and a worry-free 12-month warranty. Number 4. Shark AV911S EZ. Customers love Shark AV911S EZ robot vacuum, especially pet owners and those who are unable to vacuum as often as they should. It does an excellent job of capturing pet hair and cleaning carpets and hard floors. It maps the entire floor perfectly in the first run, and the app is clean and intuitive. Customers appreciate the self-emptying base that empties the dust and dirt after a few seconds. It's quiet, has a low profile, and can sneak under beds and tight to reach places very well. For the money, this powerful little robot is worth every penny. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 694. Customers rave about the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum's effectiveness in cleaning pet hair, debris, and dirt from various floor types. It is easy to use and maintain, making it a great choice for the elderly and busy individuals. The robot vacuum's spot cleaning feature, automatic docking, and voice command compatibility make it a convenient device for those who want to keep their homes clean without too much effort. Number 2. Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Lafont M210 robot vacuum is perfect for households with pets and busy schedules. Customers rave about its ability to clean hardwood floors, tiles, and low-pile carpets with ease, and its slim design allows it to clean under furniture seamlessly. Customers also appreciate the vacuum's long battery life and the fact that it can be controlled through the Lefant app or Alexa. Overall, the Lafont M210 robot vacuum is a great investment for anyone looking to cut down on cleaning time. Number 1. Shark AV911S. The Shark AV911S robot vacuum is highly recommended by customers who have used it. They praise its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, which make it perfect for homes with pets. Customers also appreciate its precision home mapping, hands-free control, and extended runtime, which make it easy and convenient to use. Overall, the Shark AV911S robot vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and efficient cleaning machine.